a much-needed overhaul of the Planning Commission finally falling into the agenda of the government. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Chief Ministers to discuss the change of the Planning Commission, pushing for a stronger system comprising of 8 to 10 officials, the Policy Commission will aim to ensure better allocation of resources to the states.
There is a need to decentralize both power and planning, whereas most people favored an alternative structure where both center and states plus experts could participate.
Most chief ministers agreed to the need to restructure the outdated plan panel. They also proposed suggestions keeping their respective states in mind.
And all chief ministers together, we have to sit together, we have to think positively, we have to take best practices within the country, within the states and all over the world, and we have to move forward.
I supported the initiative aimed at transforming India in a spirit of cooperative federation, highlighting how inequitable distribution of resources in the past has caused imbalance in development.
योजना आयोग की हर वर्ष बैठक होती है। मैं 11 साल से इस बैठक में जा रहा हूँ। 10 साल हो गए मुझे 10 बैठकों में शामिल हुआ, मगर उसकी उपयोगिता और उसकी आवश्यकता अब संदर्भ के साथ उसके बदले में कोई ऐसी बॉडी बने जो हमने कहा इंटरस्टेट काउंसिल जैसी संस्था सामने आएगी तो ये ज़्यादा उपयोगी, क्रियाशील और फंक्शनल होगा।
There were few who wanted Plan Panel to continue in its original structure. It was the Congress-led chief ministers and their allies who opposed the move.
Told us that there were 3-4 state chief ministers who were not of the opinion, and they were of the opinion that we should bring change in the present setup. Were these all from Congress-ruled states?
You guessed it right.
प्लानिंग कमीशन की जो इंक्लूसिव प्लान डेवलपमेंट की धारणा रही है, ये उसी का प्रभाव है कि भारत न केवल एक साधनहीन देश से संभावना युक्त देश में परिवर्तित हुआ है।
As a surprise, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav came in support of a new entity in place of the Planning Commission. While the parties such as the Congress, the JDU and the left stood against it, Akhilesh Yadav said that he is in favor, but keeping in mind that he has certain specific riders for a point, saying that at least 50% of the required grant should be dispersed at one go, keeping in mind that yes, plan should be of 10 to 15 years.
The Modi government, which opted to scrap the Plan Panel in favour of the Policy Commission, has its task cut out for it. From getting all chief ministers on the same platform to carving out the modalities of the new structure, getting the panel on board will be an uphill task.
This new entity will take into consideration every other required suggestion by the states, and then the federal structure will also be kept in, and that very power will be handed back to the states is something which is on a positive note. Thus, there are going to be several other similar meets, we are being told, and then a final decision to be taken somewhere around the budget session. Video journalist Mohan Aishwarya Kapoor for Times Now.